Do you find that when you look at your binder, sometimes it just looks like a great mass of things and you can't see what's what? Well, I might have the solution for you. Hi, my name's Juliet, and today I'm going to show you how to clearly divide your binder in Scrivener 3 for Windows. I'm going to start with the Resources folder here to highlight this feature. Right-click and select Show as Binder Separator. That's all there is to it. This gives you a shaded banner across the binder and puts the text into bold and leaves you in no doubt as to where a section starts. Of course, you can use it anywhere, but I think using it sparingly for things you really need to see at a glance is probably the best option. Otherwise, your binder might start to look crowded. If you want to define your binder even more by using colour, you might want to check out this video about labels. Thank you for watching, and if you've subscribed, I'll see you again next time.